How to get working coupon codes for Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can get working coupon codes for Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser, head towards the search bar and there type in couponfollow.com. Press enter in your keyboard. Once you land on their official website, there is a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar and in the search bar you have to type Amazon and go to amazon.com. So under this page you will see various coupon codes that you can use. Here it says 50% off, 50% off, and if you scroll down there you can see various type of coupon codes. Now in order to use this coupon codes, click on show coupon code next to that. Now you will see this code displayed in your interface. You can either copy the code and then go to Amazon and use this code in order to get 50% off on your product or on your purchased product, or you can click on redeem at Amazon. That's gonna take you to the Amazon page and from there you can redeem this coupon code and get the discounts or offers. And that's the way to get working coupon codes for Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.